Hello friends, welcome back to our channel LN Realty. Thank you for your love and support. We are growing because of your blessings and your virtual support. Today, before we begin this video, I would request everybody viewing this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can stay updated on listings in your area. Today what we are about to see is a actual but unfinished apartment, 4.5 BHK. That's your point 5. Ready to move in 1950 square feet carpet area. It's time to explore the first bedroom. That's your guest bedroom, friends. 12 by 10 with one attached washroom. That is 5 by 8. Your CP fittings, your sanitary fittings are of Indian standards, mostly Jaguar. There's a glass partition in each washroom and there's a beautiful view from each bedrooms. So all 4 bedrooms have a different view. Let's have a look at the living space and your dining space. As we go right ahead, friends, this is your dining space, 11 by 10.6 with a separate dry balcony, 13 by 4, and your kitchen, 12 by 10. What you see is what you get. Entire modular setup. Hob chimney without burners, lower kitchen cabinet and the upper kitchen cabinet. Your living area is 18 by 16. Currently we have kept unused furniture. This will be removed during possession. Finishing will be done much better. Let's explore the other 3 bedrooms. And this is your kids' bed. Again 12 by 10. Each window in the bedroom has a bay window concept attached. That's your bay window, guys. You can sit with a laptop, work from home. Now these are your 2 bigger bedrooms. Your parents' bedroom, 15.7 into 12. That's a good size. And there's a dual window. This gives you a view of entire Baner. Currently I'm on the 11th floor, which is not the top floor. So the view is beautiful. And that's your attached shower space. As I had mentioned, glass partition can be seen in each washroom. And that is your master bed, guys, with a wooden flooring. Same size, 15.7 into 12. But with a different view altogether. And a small Juliet balcony. You can enjoy a sip of coffee. Sunlight can be seen coming into the apartment. Ventilation is a no issue. All units are east-west. So I can say they are Vastu compliant completely. Your walk-in wardrobe space for your master bed. And this is what everybody wants, a bathtub. Only for your master shower. Decent size. Friends, our project has select few 4.5 BHK units left. And your investment is visible here since the entire building is ready. Please share this video with your friends and family, your friends who are hunting for a 4.5 BHK in Baner, the most sought after residential location in Pune. We will be happy to assist you and your friends. Lastly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can stay connected with us. Thank you for watching.